Good morning, everybody. It's Brennan here. We're out here in Ancaster today, and we got ourselves an interior detail. Let me give you guys a little bit of a walkthrough here on what we're doing, and here we are. We're all fully set up right now, and like I mentioned, Brennan from Brennan's Mobile Detailing. For anybody who hasn't subscribed or liked or followed, feel free to hit that like button. So here we are. Just a quick little walkthrough. Not too bad. Have a little bit of dust, a little bit of debris. We're gonna make this vehicle really nice and tidy on the interior for this customer. A little bit of dust and debris as mentioned. We'll get in between all the jams there, all between the seats, all in between the tight crevices there. Make this thing look brand new again. I'm gonna get all the trunk space. Make sure that we tidy up the whole entire trunk space for the customer, making sure that they'll leave it feeling fresh, fully clean. So that's a little bit of a walkthrough of me going to be doing an interior complete on this. So we're going to start it off. We're going to blow out all the crevices with the air, then followed by with a vacuum and also a steam clean. Stay tuned, follow for more Brennan's Mobile Detailing. Thank you so much. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Brennan here again. Here we got the Rip Clean all hooked up, and we're gonna do a steam clean for this customer. We already did the vacuum and we blowed out all the crevices and everything like that. Let's take a little look at what we got. So here we are. I got my rigid vacuum all hooked up. And basically what I had done is turned this into a steam cleaner. It's called Rip Clean, and basically it hooks right up to your hose. And here we are. This is like a full-on extractor right here, and this is what turns into a steam cleaner. So if you guys are looking to get yourselves one, it's Rip Clean, and this works perfectly with a shop vac, or you guys can use a rigid little tiny vacuum like what I have here. Works perfect and can't go wrong here. So this is it. For more content, follow Brennan's Mobile Detailing. Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Brennan from Brennan's Mobile Detailing here. We just got the interior detail done, and let me take you through a walkthrough. Starting with the trunk space, got all the crevices cleaned out, full vacuum, full steam clean, windows, upholstery shine, all the crevices, like I said, all in between the jams, everything, vents, full steam cleaned, seats, so that's it, folks. For anybody looking to have their vehicles detailed, feel free to give Brennan's Mobile Detailing a shout. Here out in Ancaster, Ontario, be sure to follow Brennan's Mobile Detailing on YouTube. Cheers. Have a wonderful day.